Hello, Lila. How are you today?
Hello, William. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am very well. It is very cold today, right?
Yes, it is cold. It is December now. December is always cold.
I like the cold. I like winter clothes. I like my big coat.
My coat is warm, but I do not like the snow. Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow. Snow is for Christmas. Do you like Christmas?
Yes, I like Christmas a lot. It is my favorite holiday.
My house is ready for Christmas now. We put up the lights yesterday.
Oh, that is nice. What color are your lights?
We have red lights and green lights. They are very bright. We put them outside.
Do you put lights inside too?
Yes, we put small white lights on the Christmas tree. The tree is very tall.
Where did you buy the tree?
We bought the tree at the market last week. It smells good. It smells like pine.
I like the smell of a real tree. We have an artificial tree this year. It is easier.
Is your tree green?
Yes, it is green, and it is big, but not too big. We decorated it last Saturday.
What decorations do you use?
We have many ornaments. We have round ornaments, red, blue, and gold. We also have little stars.
I like the stars. We have a big yellow star on the top of our tree. It is beautiful.
And do you have a wreath on your door?
Yes, we do. It has red ribbons and green leaves. It welcomes people.
That is lovely. I also put candles on the table. I like the warm light.
I need to buy many gifts. Christmas is only 2 weeks away.
I know. I finished my shopping last week. It was difficult this year.
Why was it difficult?
Because I have a big family. I must buy gifts for 10 people.
10 people. That is a lot. Who are the 10 people?
My mother, my father, my brother, my 2 sisters, my grandmother, my grandfather, and 3 cousins.
Wow. What did you buy for your mother?
I bought her a new book and a warm scarf. She likes to read, and she is always cold.
That is a good gift. What about your brother?
My brother likes video games. I bought him a new game for his computer.
That is easy. My sister is difficult. What did you buy for your sister?
I bought my 2 sisters clothes. One likes blue shirts, and the other likes yellow sweaters.
Good. I need to buy a gift for my father. He likes to cook. What can I buy?
Maybe a new cooking book, or a nice apron.
A nice apron. Yes, that is a great idea. Thank you, Lila.
You are welcome, William. Have you wrapped the presents?
No, not yet. I will wrap them tomorrow night. I need red paper and gold ribbon.
Wrapping is fun. I like the sound of the paper.
What are your plans for Christmas Day?
We will be at my parents' house. All the family will come there.
What time do you go?
We go early, at 9 in the morning. We open presents first.
That is the best part. My family opens presents at 10 a.m. Then we eat breakfast.
What do you eat for Christmas breakfast?
We eat pancakes with maple syrup and sausages, and we drink hot chocolate.
That sounds delicious. We eat sweet rolls and coffee.
And what about the big Christmas dinner? What is the main food?
We always eat turkey. My father cooks a very big turkey.
Turkey is traditional. What side dishes do you have?
We have mashed potatoes, green beans, and cranberry sauce, and a lot of bread.
I like mashed potatoes a lot. Do you cook too?
Yes, I help my mother. I make the Christmas cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Sugar cookies with green and red icing, and chocolate chip cookies.
I love chocolate chip cookies. I want to eat them now.
And for dessert, we have a special Christmas pudding. It is very sweet.
My family eats an apple pie. My grandmother makes the best apple pie.
Christmas food is the best food of the year.
What is your favorite Christmas tradition?
My favorite tradition is watching old Christmas movies after dinner. We watch 3 movies.
Which movie is your favorite?
I like the movie about the little boy who stays home alone. It is very funny.
Oh, yes, I know that movie. It is a classic. We listen to Christmas music all day.
Do you sing carols?
Sometimes. My mother loves to sing. She sings very loud.
That is fun. Do you visit friends on Christmas?
No, Christmas Day is only for family, but we visit friends on Christmas Eve.
What do you do on Christmas Eve?
We go to our neighbor's house. They have a party. We drink cider and talk.
That is nice. I stay home on Christmas Eve. I read a book and drink tea. I relax before the busy day.
After Christmas, we wait for New Year's Eve. What will you do for New Year's Eve?
I am not sure yet. Maybe a small party with friends. What about you?
I will go to the city center. There is a big celebration there. I want to see the fireworks.
Fireworks are beautiful. What time do they start?
They start exactly at 12 o'clock at midnight. It's exciting to count down. 10, 9, 8.
I remember last year, I was at home. I watched the countdown on television.
Was it fun at home?
Yes, it was quiet and warm. My cat was scared of the sounds outside.
Poor cat. My sister will come with me to the city center this year. We must wear very warm clothes. We are talking about the new year. Do you make New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I always make resolutions. They're promises for the new year.
That is right. What will your resolution be this year?
I have two big resolutions. First, I will learn to play the guitar.
That is interesting. Will you buy a new guitar?
Yes, I will buy a small black one in January. I will practice every day for 1 hour.
1 hour a day is good practice. What is your second resolution?
My second resolution is about health. I will eat more vegetables and less fast food.
That is a very good resolution. I need that one too.
And I will exercise more. I will walk in the park 3 times a week.
Excellent. I will also make some resolutions. My first one is simple. I will read one book every month, 12 books in the year.
That is a realistic goal. You like to read.
Yes, I like to read a lot. My second resolution is about work. I will study French for my job.
French is a useful language. Will you take a class?
Yes, I will enroll in an online class next month. I hope I will be good at French. Now, we are talking about the new year. Do you make New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I always make resolutions. They are promises for the new year.
That is right. What will your resolution be this year?
I have two big resolutions. First, I will learn to play the guitar.
That is interesting. Will you buy a new guitar?
Yes, I will buy a small black one in January. I will practice every day for 1 hour.
1 hour a day is good practice. What is your second resolution?
My second resolution is about health. I will eat more vegetables and less fast food.
That is a very good resolution. I need that one too.
And I will exercise more. I will walk in the park 3 times a week.
Excellent. I will also make some resolutions. My first one is simple. I will read one book every month, 12 books in the year.
That is a realistic goal. You like to read.
Yes, I like to read a lot. My second resolution is about work. I will study French for my job.
French is a useful language. Will you take a class?
Yes, I will enroll in an online class next month. I hope I will be good at French. Now, we are talking about hopes and wishes for the new year. I hope the new year will be better than this year.
Me too, William. Why do you hope it will be better?
I hope I will travel more. I want to visit Italy in the summer.
Italy is beautiful. Which city will you visit, Rome or Florence?
I think I will visit Rome first. I want to see the old buildings.
I hope you have a great trip. I hope I will visit my cousin who lives in Canada.
Canada is far. When will you go?
Maybe in the fall. I must save a lot of money first.
Money is important for travel. I must save money too.
I also wish for more time with my family next year. This year was very busy with work.
Yes, free time is important. I wish for good health for all my family and friends.
That is the best wish of all. Health is everything.
Now, let us talk more about Christmas food. Do you remember the food last year?
Yes, I remember. We had the big turkey. It was very big.
Was the turkey good?
Yes, it was very, very good. My father put many herbs on it.
What herbs did he use?
Rosemary and thyme. They smelled wonderful when they were cooking.
I like the smell of cooking turkey. Did you help cut the vegetables?
Yes, I cut the carrots and the onions. My sister cut the potatoes.
Cutting vegetables is hard work. Did you eat a lot of potatoes?
Yes, I ate 3 big spoonfuls of mashed potatoes. They were so creamy.
Did you drink wine with dinner?
My parents drank red wine. My brother and I drank sparkling apple juice.
Sparkling apple juice is nice. What about the Christmas pudding? Did everyone eat it?
My mother and my grandmother love the pudding. My brother does not like it.
Why not? Is it too sweet?
Yes, he says it is too sweet and too heavy. He prefers ice cream.
Ice cream is also good, even in winter. I like vanilla ice cream.
We had vanilla ice cream with the pie last year.
And what did you do after you finished eating everything?
We played a game, a board game. It was a very old game.
What was the name of the game?
It was called The Long Journey. It takes 3 hours to finish.
3 hours? That is a very long game. Did you win the game?
No, my father won. He always wins the board games.
Let us talk more about gifts. I still need to buy for my sister.
Tell me about your sister. What does she like to do?
She likes music. She likes to listen to pop music.
Does she have a good set of headphones? Maybe new headphones?
That is a good idea. Her old ones are broken. She needs white headphones.
White headphones are very nice. Where will you buy them?
I will go to the big electronics store tomorrow. They have many brands.
Check the price. Headphones can be expensive.
I will look for ones that are not too expensive. Maybe $50.
$50 is a reasonable price for good quality.
And what about my grandmother? She is old. What can I buy for her?
Grandmothers often like simple gifts, maybe a new pair of warm socks or a soft blanket.
A soft blanket, yes. She sits on the sofa a lot. A soft gray blanket is perfect.
Does she drink tea? You can buy a special tea set.
She drinks chamomile tea every night. A beautiful new teacup is a great addition.
So you have gifts for your father, the apron, your sister, headphones, and your grandmother, blanket and teacup.
Yes, that is right. You helped me a lot, Layla. Thank you again.
It is no problem, William. I enjoy talking about Christmas shopping.
Now, let us talk more about my guitar resolution.
Yes. Why do you want to learn the guitar?
Because I love the sound of acoustic music. I want to play my favorite songs.
Which songs do you want to play?
I want to learn the 3 easiest songs first. Then I want to learn 10 more songs.
Will you learn from a teacher?
No, I will use video lessons on the internet. My friend says the lessons are very good and free.
Free lessons are the best. I wish you good luck with the music.
Thank you. And what about your French lessons?
I need French because my company opens a new office in Paris next year.
Wow, Paris. Will you travel to Paris for work?
Maybe, if my French is good, maybe I will go for 2 weeks in June.
That is very exciting. You must study hard.
I know. I will study for 30 minutes every morning before work.
And your reading resolution. What is the first book you will read in January?
It is a book about history. It is a long book. I must read 10 pages every day.
Reading 10 pages a day is a smart way to finish a big book. Now, we must say goodbye. I must go home now. I need to make a list for the supermarket.
What is on your list?
Eggs, milk, bread, butter, and all the things for the Christmas cookies.
Do you make the cookies? I thought your mother makes them.
My mother makes the dinner, but I make the traditional sugar cookies. It's my job.
That's a nice job. What shapes do you use for the cookies?
We use the star shape, the reindeer shape, and the Christmas tree shape.
I like the reindeer shape the best. Remember to buy red and green sprinkles.
Oh, thank you for the reminder. Red and green sprinkles are very important. I will write that down.
Good. Well, I must also go now. I need to finish wrapping 2 small gifts.
Which gifts are you wrapping now?
They're for my 2 nephews, small toys. They like cars.
I hope your nephews enjoy the cars.
I hope so too. It was good to talk to you, William.
It was great to talk to you too, Layla. We talked for a very long time.
We did. We talked about all the Christmas things and all the New Year things.
I feel more ready for the holiday now.
Me too. I'm excited for the new year. I hope my resolutions are successful.
I hope they are successful too. Maybe we can talk in February and see how your guitar playing is.
That is a good idea. I will tell you about my French progress too.
Perfect. Have a wonderful Christmas, Layla.
You too, William. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.